so exciting. I don't care if you think it's a pipe dream. Maybe it is closer than it might seem. Maybe I'll be homeless playing the violin.
I produce it like a cannibal. I make them beats, you got a talent, bro. If you wanna stand a chance at all, you better read the fucking manual.
This time it's gonna be all time. Copula's gonna rock with y'all. Your chicks bumping our heads all night. Everything's gonna be alright.
You have to put in the word if you wanna get heard. $1 million moog, man, it cannot polish a turd.
Had a cold rum, I can't remember, so cold it's one of my favorites. And I got it on the tip of my tongue, but now it's giving me brain freeze. She said my music keeps her warm, but I don't do this for the ladies. So many whack cats biting me, stop it dog, I don't wanna get no rabies.
Maybe you don't agree, or maybe you have a few questions. Better like, subscribe, and have a conversation in the comment section.
Have a conversation in the comment section. Love it or hate it, you're gonna learn a lesson. Tundrah really gonna leave a big impression. Tempest is the weapon, Tempest is the weapon.
Wanna take a ride with Copula? It's not about being popular. If you wanna take a ride with Copula, come fuck with us, we'll fuck with you.
2020, feeling splendid. New people that know about us plenty. So much envy, up to clarity, but don't nobody understand me.
You're about to be a fan of mine. When I start to Google advertise, I say on the grind for 9 to 5. I got everything you're trying to find.
Unexpected moves, no need to be blamed by the rules. And the kind of new shit we bring to the table they take when we make a lot of noise, make a lot of room.
They're gonna love us soon, yeah, but they're intimidated by our presence at the wheel. Never ever go as far as setting our skills, big question they get killed.
Feel him on the mic, the realest kind of type of Filipino individualist guy. Shit is kinda like virtual reality. I'm not really feeling it, alright. Give me some more space, see the Tundrah's great and he been underrated since the summer days.
In the winter time, see me energized, welcome to Copula Enterprise.
Wanna take a ride with Copula?